Tire pressure monitoring systems are crucial for safety, alerting drivers to underinflated tires that can prevent accidents. However, cold weather can cause TPMS malfunctions, leading to inaccurate readings. This is due to Charles's law from physics. As temperature decreases, air contracts, causing tire pressure to drop naturally by about 1-2 psi for every 10 degrees Celsius decrease. Direct TPMS systems, which use individual sensors in each wheel, are more susceptible to cold weather. The sensors' batteries drain much faster in low temperatures, losing up to 50% of their capacity at -10 degrees Celsius. These battery issues cause false low-pressure alerts to appear on the vehicle's dashboard, even when tires are properly inflated. Newer winter-grade sensors with improved lithium-ion batteries are available for better cold performance. Some electric vehicles use smartphone apps for tire monitoring. However, cold weather TPMS issues still account for 20 to 25% of service calls during winter months. To fix TPMS issues in cold weather, warm up your vehicle in a garage for 30 to 60 minutes to allow tires to expand, then check pressures manually with a gauge, and consider replacing faulty sensors if problems persist. To prevent TPMS issues in cold weather, inflate your tires to the higher end of the recommended range in the fall. Also, park your vehicle in warmer areas like garages to minimize temperature effects. For immediate fixes when issues occur, warm up your car to allow tires to expand naturally. Then manually check the tire pressure using a gauge if sensors have failed. If sensors fail, they may need replacing. Expert shops can reprogram the sensors for better performance. Remember to always verify readings. TPMS is a helpful tool but not infallible, so always verify readings with a gauge. Regular firmware updates for your vehicle can improve cold weather accuracy. For example, Tesla's 2023 recall addressed sensor issues in cold conditions.